Welcome to our tutorial about donuts. Not the Krispy Kreme kind, but the AutoCAD kind. Sometimes you need a solid circle or a thick circle, and that's what AutoCAD has a donut for. Here's the donut command, left-click to activate it. First step, we specify the inside diameter, let's say 1 unit. Enter to accept. Now the outside diameter, let's say 2 units, and enter. Left-click to place as many donuts as we need. And just right-click to exit the tool. Now let me select a donut and expand the Properties panel. As you see, it's a polyline. Now let me grab the handles of my polyline and drag it around a little bit. I'll just change its shape this way. This lets me see how it's made. It's just 2 polyline arcs joined together at the ends. In other words, I can use the Polyline tool to create a donut. Let's activate it, specify a start point, right-click, scroll to arc, place my first arc, and a second arc. I snap its endpoint to the start point of the first arc. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Now let's select our entity, expand the Properties panel, and let's select the Global Width property. We'll enter a value of 3, press Enter to accept, and that's how AutoCAD creates a donut. This concludes our tutorial about donuts.